Chick-fil-A is a well-known American fast food restaurant chain that has captured the hearts and stomachs of millions of Americans. Despite being closed on Sundays, Chick-fil-A has become a popular destination for customers, with its signature chicken sandwich and exceptional customer service. But what many people don't know is that Chick-fil-A's success isn't just due to its delicious food and friendly staff. The company's unconventional franchise model has played a significant role in its growth and success. In this video, we will take a closer look at Chick-fil-A's franchise model and how it has helped the company achieve its remarkable success. We will explore the history of Chick-fil-A, the benefits and drawbacks of its franchise model, and what other businesses can learn from it. The history of Chick-fil-A. Chick-fil-A was founded in 1946 by S. Truett Cathy, a man with a passion for serving others. The company started as a small restaurant in Hapeville, Georgia, serving traditional Southern dishes like fried chicken and biscuits. But Cathy had a vision for his business, one that would set it apart from other fast food restaurants. In 1967, Cathy introduced the first Chick-fil-A franchise, and by the 1980s, the company had over 300 locations. Today, Chick-fil-A has over 2,600 locations across the United States, and the company's revenue continues to grow each year. The unconventional franchise model. So what makes Chick-fil-A's franchise model so unconventional? It all comes down to the company's strict requirements for its franchisees. Unlike other fast food chains that are eager to expand as quickly as possible, Chick-fil-A takes a more cautious approach. The company is incredibly selective when it comes to choosing its franchisees, and it has strict requirements for who can open a Chick-fil-A restaurant. Firstly, Chick-fil-A only accepts franchisees who have a proven track record of success in business. Applicants must have a net worth of at least $1 million, and they must be able to demonstrate that they have experience managing a business. Secondly, Chick-fil-A requires all franchisees to undergo an extensive training program at the company's headquarters in Atlanta, Georgia. The training program covers everything from the company's history and values to its cooking methods and customer service practices. Finally, Chick-fil-A franchisees are required to operate their restaurants in a specific way. The company has strict guidelines for everything from the layout of the restaurant to the type of food that is served. Chick-fil-A franchisees are also required to follow the company's policy of closing on Sundays, a decision that has been controversial but is deeply rooted in the company's Christian values. The benefits of Chick-fil-A's franchise model. So why has Chick-fil-A's franchise model been so successful? There are several benefits to this unconventional approach. Firstly, Chick-fil-A's strict requirements for its franchisees ensure that only the best of the best are chosen to represent the company. This helps to maintain the quality of the food and the customer service that Chick-fil-A is known for. Secondly, the company's extensive training program ensures that all franchisees are equipped with the knowledge and skills they need to run a successful Chick-fil-A restaurant. This helps to ensure consistency across all locations and helps to maintain the company's reputation for exceptional customer service. Finally, Chick-fil-A's policy of closing on Sundays has helped to create a unique brand identity for the company. This decision has been controversial, but it has also helped to set Chick-fil-A apart from other fast food chains and has given the company a reputation for standing by its values. The drawbacks of Chick-fil-A's franchise model. While there are many benefits to Chick-fil-A's franchise model, there are also some drawbacks. Firstly, the company's strict requirements for its franchisees mean that it can be difficult for people who don't meet these criteria to become franchisees. This can limit the diversity of the company's franchisees, and some critics have accused Chick-fil-A of discrimination. Secondly, the company's policy of closing on Sundays can be a drawback for franchisees who are looking to maximize their profits. While this policy has helped to create a unique brand identity for the company, it can also be a hindrance for franchisees who are looking to compete with other fast food chains that are open 7 days a week. Finally, some franchisees have criticized Chick-fil-A's strict guidelines and policies, arguing that they limit their ability to innovate and adapt to changing market conditions. While the company's guidelines have helped to maintain consistency across all locations, some franchisees have argued that they can be too restrictive. What other businesses can learn from Chick-fil-A's franchise model? Despite its drawbacks, Chick-fil-A's franchise model has been incredibly successful, and there are several lessons that other businesses can learn from it. Firstly, businesses can benefit from being selective when it comes to choosing their franchisees. By only working with the best of the best, companies can maintain the quality of their products and services and protect their brand reputation. Secondly, businesses can benefit from providing extensive training to their franchisees. By ensuring that all franchisees have the knowledge and skills they need to succeed, companies can maintain consistency across all locations and provide exceptional customer service. Finally, businesses can benefit from creating a unique brand identity that sets them apart from their competitors. Chick-fil-A's decision to close on Sundays has helped to create a unique brand identity for the company and has given it a reputation for standing by its values. Conclusion: Chick-fil-A's success is a testament to the power of an unconventional franchise model. By being selective when it comes to choosing its franchisees, providing extensive training, and creating a unique brand identity, Chick-fil-A has been able to maintain the quality of its products and services and build a loyal customer base. While there are some drawbacks to Chick-fil-A's franchise model, other businesses can learn from its success. By following in Chick-fil-A's footsteps and being selective when it comes to choosing franchisees, providing extensive training, and creating a unique brand identity, businesses can set themselves apart from their competitors and achieve success in their own right.